freed from desire. Mind and senses purified, freed from desire. Mind and senses purified, freed from desire. Who? Na 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 लेट्स गो. आपका स्वागत है चाय विद फुटबॉल में. क्या क्रेजी मॉर्निंग है. अभी सुबह के 10 बज रहे एंड चेल्सी हैज़ फाइनली मेड इट टू द क्लब वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल. आई मीन इससे अच्छी सुबह क्या हो सकता है. ऑफ कोर्स विनिंग द क्लब वर्ल्ड कप which happens to fall on my birthday and I hope Chelsea win that. Amazing performance. क्या मैच था. Oh my god, it is crazy, right? Like from the start, everybody who said Chelsea couldn't make it to the Club World Cup final, I can't hear you guys. Come on, we made it. Let's go. पहुंच चुके हैं हम लोग आखिरी स्टेज. Just I guess 90 or 120 minutes away from being the best club in the world. वो golden patch जब यहाँ पे लगेगा ना, oh my god, I can't wait. I know PSG बची है, Real Madrid बची है, but I don't care. I really don't care. कोई भी आ जाओ, right? I believe because this team has proved me wrong time and time again in this World Cup. And Enzo Maresca, man, hats off to you. Hats off to Enzo Maresca. Before I get to the players, I want to like literally give some flowers to Enzo Maresca. What a manager, right? Like before he जब वो चेल्सी आ रहा था, सब लोग बोल रहे थे चैंपियनशिप मैनेजर है, नहीं वर्क करेगा चेल्सी के सेटअप में, क्यों ला रहे हैं हम लोग एक चैंपियनशिप मैनेजर को. बट एंजो मरेस्का ने सब कुछ वो कर दिया है जो मतलब बोर्ड requested of him to do or we fans requested him of to do, right? Like for example, qualifying for the Champions League, checked. You're winning the Conference League, checked. Now coming to the World Cup final, check. Now last tick bacha hai, that is to win it. I don't know who will come, PSG versus Real Madrid. I will give my thoughts and opinion on that as well, and then a preview for the final between Chelsea and whoever makes it to the final between PSG and Real Madrid. Let's just get into the game, okay, guys? Right? What a game, bro. What a game. A very good strong lineup. Right? मेरे को पता है फ्लूमिनेंस, सब लोग बोलेंगे फ्लूमिनेंस ही तो थी, but don't disrespect Fluminense, okay? This is the team that beat the Champion League finalist Inter Milan, right? I know Inter Milan का time इतना अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, but still Inter Milan were the Champion League finalists this year, right? Secondly, they beat Al Hilal, who also happened to beat Manchester City, who is supposedly the best club in London, right? And also drew with Real Madrid, okay? So don't take Fluminense for granted and tell कि हाँ भाई easy route था, चेल्सी को तो जीतना ही चाहिए था. I agree, but we have done it. जो भी हम लोग से पूछा गया है इस क्लब वर्ल्ड कप में हम लोग ने डिलीवर किया है. सो आई एम तो सुपर एक्साइटेड गाइज. ओ माई गॉड, आई कांट वेट फॉर द फाइनल्स, राइट? कुछ भी हो सकता है फाइनल्स में. आई होप चेल्सी प्ले द वे दे प्लेड टुडे. लाइक टुडे देयर वाज लिटरली नो कंसर्न्स, right? Everybody played really well, although Robert Sanchez being Robert Sanchez, but still he had a decent game. इतना कुछ करना नहीं पड़ा उसको. But what a game, bro. Like let's just talk about Joao Pedro for a second, bro. Joao Pedro, man. Everybody thought ये क्यों कर रहे हैं हम लोग sign? We should sign someone else. Joao Pedro is not the guy. Bro, Joao Pedro is the guy. He is the guy. Oh my god. Like अगर जोआ पेड्रो नहीं होता था ना चेल्सी के लाइनअप में टुडे, और चेल्सी में नहीं होता था ना, वी कुडंट हैव वन द गेम. आप लिख के ले लो, अगर जोआ पेड्रो नहीं होता था वी वुडंट हैव वन, बिकॉज द वे पेड्रो नेटो ने क्रॉस किया एंड इट फेल टू जोआओ पेड्रो एंड ही टुक इट आउटसाइड द बॉक्स. Like except for Cole Palmer, I don't think anybody would have thought of taking it first time. Like second touch पे लिया था, not first time, but still मेरे को नहीं लगता कोई भी लेता था वो गोल और वो गोल हो पाता था. बट व्हाट अ गोल मैन, व्हाट अ गोल. लाइक इससे बढ़िया गोल, इट इज़ जस्ट सो क्रेजी टू सी. लाइक आई नो इससे बढ़िया गोल है, चिल गाइज, ओके. but it was a good goal for me. For a very long time, it is just an amazing goal. Or second half में João Pedro scores the second goal, unsavable. क्या like striking power है भाई उस बंदे में, literally. It just hits the crossbar and you know gets into the goal. So it was just crazy, like unstoppable. Dono goals unstoppable थे. I don't think anyone, any goalkeeper is saving those goals. Amazing, amazing performance. I really liked it. Right. Hats off to Kukurea. What a goal line clearance. Hats off to your uh, everybody, man. Everybody played really well. Pedro Neto. I know Cole Palmer didn't have the best of the games, but everybody gave their 100% efforts, and that what matters. The results. हम लोग result grind out कर रहे हैं. We have got to the final. Now एक match बचा है. Literally one match remaining. Let's see what happens. Tonight is the Real Madrid versus PSG game. I'll be watching that and giving my reactions on it as well. So thank you for tuning in, guys, and let's go up the Chels, guys.